Hey, what's up everybody? This is Manny V and we're in Baja. Quick little getaway, but I just want to let you guys know I got 4 spots, there's 4, on the December 11th Baja Weekender. I got a shortboarder on the trip, so if a shortboarder or bodyboarder are interested, hit me up, mannyv at epicsurftours.com. Also, by the end of next week, 2021 dates will be posted, so keep an eye out for that. And lastly, boat trips are up and running, so if you guys want to escape and do something really cool in San Diego, hit me up and I'll let you know the availability. So that's it, we're out here. You guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, peace out.